Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some exciting updates about the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the One UI 7.0 update, especially regarding the side button features. Samsung has truly stepped up its game with customization, making the side button more powerful and versatile than ever before. Let's dive in and explore what's new. Revamped side button. More than just a power key, Samsung is pushing the boundaries of personalization with One UI 7.0, and one of the biggest changes comes to the side button. It's no longer just for turning your phone on and off or launching the assistant. You now have complete control over its functionality. Let's break down what you can do with it. Long press options. By default, long pressing the side button will activate Google Gemini, Samsung's newly integrated AI assistant. However, Samsung gives you the freedom to switch it up. You can replace Google Gemini with Bixby or even another third-party assistant, though, unfortunately, Alexa isn't supported just yet. Double press options. The double press feature has received a major overhaul with tons of new functionalities. Here are some of the actions you can assign to a double press. Camera. Quickly open the camera, start recording, take a portrait shot, or snap a selfie. Samsung Wallet. Instantly access your cards and payment options. Torch. Turn on your flashlight instantly. Magnifier. Zoom in for better visibility when needed. Voice recorder. Open the app or start recording immediately. Samsung Notes. Open the app, create a new note, record a voice note, or even use the paint mode. Samsung Capture. Take a screenshot or start a screen recording. Modes and routines. Launch any preset mode or routine you've set up. Apps. Open any installed app with a double press. More customization than ever. If you thought that was all, Samsung has added even more sub-options within these actions. For example, camera. Choose between photo mode, video mode, portrait mode, or selfie mode. Voice recorder. Either open the app or start recording instantly. Samsung Notes. Choose between paint mode, typing mode, voice notes, or handwriting mode. Samsung Capture. Select from AI Select, screen recording, or screenshot. This level of customization makes the side button a powerful tool that enhances productivity and accessibility. One UI 7.0 ensures that you can tailor your device to your personal needs with ease. Why was One UI 7.0 delayed? Many Samsung users were eagerly waiting for One UI 7.0, but the update didn't arrive as expected. Samsung finally addressed the delay, and today, we have official details straight from the company. A different approach for a more impactful update. Samsung typically releases major One UI updates for flagship devices before the end of the year, but this time, things were different. According to Sally, EVP and head of the framework R&D team at Samsung MX, the company took a new approach to ensure that One UI 7.0 delivers a truly impactful experience. She explained that Samsung wanted to break the usual yearly update cycle and take extra time to perfect the software. The development for One UI 7.0 started nearly 2 to 3 years ago, and the additional preparation allowed them to refine even the smallest details, making the update more polished and tailored to user needs. Deep collaboration with Google. Another major reason for the delay was Samsung's collaboration with Google. Right from the start, Samsung worked closely with Google to seamlessly integrate AI features across both Google and Samsung apps. This partnership required developing new apps, SDKs, platform improvements, and One UI refinements, which took significant time and effort. The result? A better optimized experience for users across both ecosystems. Was the delay worth it? While the delay may have been frustrating for some, the extra time Samsung took to develop One UI 7.0 means we're getting a more refined, polished, and feature-packed update. With all these expanded customization options, the side button on the Galaxy S25 has evolved into a powerful multifunctional tool. Whether you want quick access to your camera, manage tasks, or control your favorite apps, the side button is now more useful than ever before. So, what do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the new customization features for the side button? Was the delay in One UI 7.0 worth it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.